Good morning, everybody. Is it okay? We can repeat it. Good morning, all the viewers, all the dear parents, students, teachers, ladies and gentlemen. The question of students of Sikkim who are studying outside the state, returning back to the state after the lockdown is opened, is a very important question. We had meeting yesterday of task force chaired by Chief Secretary, in which we discussed this issue. Before that, the Education Department, had a meeting chaired by Honorable Minister Education, in which all the vice chancellors and some of the college principals were invited. And we found that the total number of students who are from Sikkim but who study outside Sikkim is about 1,800. And since our schools and colleges, they are closed till 31st of May, lockdown is till 3rd of May. If after 3rd of May flights and trains resume, so our own students who are studying outside, along with some patients also, they would like to come back to the state. Now we discussed where to accommodate them, how to accommodate them. So we have collected the information about availability of hostel beds, hostel rooms in different institutions. We have got about close to 1,000 beds available in SMIT under Sikkim Manipal University, which they have very kindly agreed to provide to us in case of requirement. Then we have got hostel beds 100, 200 in many of the private schools, and in some of the tribal schools also we have got some hostel beds. As of now, the students who are going to return, we are going to plan their return in the sense that we will try to they will have to register electronically, and then who is coming on which day shall be pre-decided, so that we don't end up with a large rush on the first day or second day. So over a period of 3 or 4 days we would like them to return, and they will be tested by health department at Rangpo and Maldi, and thereafter, once they are found to be okay, not showing any symptom or negative result, they will be sent to the quarantine facility. And this facility also will be examined by health department before, and they will have to stay for minimum 14 days. In addition to hostels of some institutes, we are also going to take some hotels, because all the hotels are closed and they are not having any business. So those parents who wish to pay and put their kids, their children into the hotels on a nominal payment, let's say 1,000 rupees per day or so, we would like to take some of the hotels where we will arrange the beds, and the payment shall be done by the concerned parents. In the government quarantine facility that will be in the hostels, government will make the arrangements of food and stay. So that way we will try to handle them in such a way that there is no rush and they are able to come back safely. And this testing and quarantining is being done in view of their own safety and safety of all Sikkimese people. And I request cooperation from everybody, because it is going to be a big exercise and nobody will be inconvenienced. Anybody who will come from outside the state will have to be examined and quarantined. So this is about the students. Then once the schools and colleges open in the state, thereafter we have got about 6,000 students who are studying in Sikkim from outside the state. They will also like to come back, and when they come back, then we will have to plan for their quarantining. Broadly, I can say that SMIT, SMU will be able to do it because they have the hostel facility available. All the other private universities will also be able to handle their numbers, because their numbers are about close to 150 to 200. Both our polytechnics will be able to do it. Only problem is with Renock College and Sikkim Central University, because they don't have adequate hostel facility. So for them we will have to use the spaces identified and available in hostels or in hotels.